I am still feel very strongly that things could happen very aggressively here at the end of the year, and I am closely watching oil every single day because that is going to be the catalyst that catapults everything forward here by driving the inflation there in Japan, them having to aggressively raise interest rates, which will cause the reverse carry trade to unwind, a rotation out of U.S. Treasuries into domestic Treasuries there in Japan. Our Treasuries will flood the market, but luckily we have the stablecoin bill passed earlier this year, so we will have demand for those Treasuries here domestically, which will shore up markets, but the rest of the markets are going to see a big fall, a big tumble to the downside. Anything that's risk on, you're starting to see Bitcoin lead the stock market. I was having a conversation with the family office just the other day about this. It's kind of hyper liquid in comparison to the stock market, but it's definitely risk on, and it's been highly correlated to stocks. When we've had expansions in our economy, we've had expansions in the crypto market, almost to a T correlated with both. So if you want to say Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, I could probably get with that. But it is definitely a risk on asset, and it definitely follows M2 money supply and very closely Tether. As more Tether is printed, Bitcoin tends to rise alongside that because there's more liquidity in crypto. So, we're seeing markets fall a little bit right now, trending sideways, still within a band, nothing too crazy. But I do think that in the very near future, we're going to see even more volatility, both to the downside and the upside for certain assets. And hopefully you're positioned appropriately to take advantage of those things.